Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2026 Mix 1 of Team Transport. So Team Transport FLF 56 case code on there. Mix J, that is number 1 for 2026. We just did the other day, we did Mix 6, right? Or Mix, well, it was the last case of 2025. Now we're on to 2026 here for Team Transport. All right. Let's pull this open. I found this case actually at retail, so I know it's been out for some time. We just got this one in from Stop Diecast. Again, thank you, Stop Diecast, for supplying this case. You rock. Thank you so much for supporting the OTD YouTube channel and OrangeTrackDiecast.com and the case reports. All right, first one out of the case, number 87. So we got a little bit of a packaging refresh here. I think we've seen that in a number of 2026 cars so far. That carries forward with Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport. Again, number 87. It is the Dino Don Nicholson livery. So this, I guess, this is some sort of vintage racer. I guess I should have looked this up, but I have to believe this is an authentic, racer from that era. And we get the 61 Impala. The 61 Impala is back. It is, I think we've seen this on Team Transport before, the 61 Impala, and we also seen it in Fast and Furious Premium. This one is really cool because we get that Dino Don Nicholson, livery or whatever. We get like the kind of the flags on the doors. We get some sponsor logos on the front fender. But we also get, if you look at the windows, you get a black trim with some like really cool rivets around the black trim on the windows. So it kind of gives you that race car effect or look to that casting. And that is paired with the Horizon Hauler. So another casting we've seen in Team Transport for some time now. That one, and it's not blank like a lot of Team Transports have been lately. We get this livery carried on right onto the truck. You get the Dino Don Nicholson logo on the back. On the doors, you get that same two flag logo there. What was that? Yeah, it looks like EE. And then their checkered flag, both crossed. Very similar to like what you see on like an old Corvette or something like that. I'm not sure the history behind Dino Don or anything like that, but a very cool one. And if we're looking at the card art is, what is this? Like it's definitely a drag strip. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe a desert, or I don't know. There could be the clouds kind of look a little low. It looks almost like water at first glance, but I think those are just some low clouds kind of at a desert drag strip. So that is one to a case. The other one that's one to a case is number 88. We have the Ford Motorsport livery on the Ford Capri GR5. So we've already seen this is the second time now we've seen the Ford Capri GR5. We saw it a number of years ago, so it's actually been a couple of years since we last saw it, and I think it was race day, and it was in a Ford Motorsport deco as well. This one is in blue with Ford Motorsport all over, and number 1. And if you remember, the one that came in race day was white in a very similar deco. Not the same or not an inverse, but very close. So it's cool to kind of have this pair of the Ford Capri and a very similar, almost like an alternate deco, I guess you could say. And then that is paired with the Fleet Flyer. So a long mainstay casting here in Team Transport. You get the Fleet Flyer with those rims always look a little weird on these kind of low profile rims. They always look really weird on these trucks. I'm not sure why they do those. I think I'd rather prefer the Steelies or the deep dish Real Riders. But here we are with the very low profile wheels on a giant truck meant to haul things. Kind of always looks a little weird, but the Fleet Flyer has that Ford Motorsport deco carried onto the sides of it, and kind of a white trim, which is decoed on there, and Team Ford on the front. So basically pairs well with any Hot Wheels Ford Motorsport car, which there is a few now. And this is again at another kind of racetrack. Yeah, it looks more like a rural racetrack. But very nice release of that one. Good to see the Ford Capri back. And then the last one out of the case is the one that comes two to a case. So we have three new sets in this case, number 86, 87, and 88. This is number 86. It is the Papadakis Racing GR, what is this? The Toyota GR Supra, and then the Fleet Street. So the Toyota GR Supra. This looks very similar to like it looks like a Formula Drift car. So I'm definitely thinking this is. I wonder if this is like normally a Rockstar energy drink livery, and since Hot Wheels doesn't do like the Rockstar or the Monster or any kind of those energy drinks, we did get Red Bull, ironically enough, in Formula One, but that's a different story. But we get the Papadakis Racing GR Supra. So this definitely looks Formula Drift to me. And then we get this, it's really cool livery, right? And like I said, I think it might be based on the Rockstar livery because I think it's very similar to that. We get that carried over to the Fleet Street, and yeah, definitely a good looking deco carried throughout this whole thing. So get two of those in this case. So if you don't have it, you have a pretty good chance of finding it at retail. Thanks again to One Stop Diecast for sending this case over. This is the J case, mix 1 of Team Transport for 2026. Again, 3 new versions. Make sure you keep an eye here on the OTG YouTube channel for more unboxings. Stay tuned as always. Go to orangedarkdiecast.com to catch up with the latest.